In this video, I will show you the basics of some economic calculations. These are really common economic metrics that you'll see in the energy world, but also in a lot of other fields as well. So as you can see up here, we have four different metrics. We have simple payback, return on investment, or ROI, annual return on investment, or AROI, and savings to investment ratio, or SIR, which is a little bit less common. Okay, so let's look at, if you look at the actual equations here, I want you to take a look and see if you can, you feel free to press pause here and see if you can find there are three things that you need to figure out to determine all of these, to get all of the values for these metrics. So take a second and see if you can figure that out. Okay, so hopefully you figured it out. Really, we only need three different factors here. We need upfront cost here. Upfront cost, number one. We need annual savings, number two. And we need lifetime savings, number three. Now these can be difficult to determine, but with those three factors, we can actually figure out every single one of these equations up here. Okay, so let's just do an example how you would figure out these three factors. So let's look at our situation. We have two furnaces. We need a new furnace. Okay, furnace A costs $6,000, furnace B costs $5,000, so it's a little bit cheaper for the second one. But the payoff here is that it's 500 ccfs per year to heat your home with the first furnace, but 570 ccfs per year to heat your home with the second furnace. So it's a cheaper furnace, but it will end up costing you more in energy costs every year. So let's see if we can figure out these three factors up here, okay? Okay, so let's figure out the difference in upfront cost. This is really straightforward. So difference in upfront cost is just the difference between the two. So the difference in upfront cost is simply $6,000 minus $5,000. So it's $1,000. Nice round number there. Second, let's figure out the annual savings. So the annual savings is based on your energy input. We are in this problem, we'll ignore any kind of maintenance, operation and maintenance costs. We're just going to count fuel costs for this. So if we know we're going to, one furnace takes 570 ccf, the other is 500 ccfs, so that's obviously a difference of, sorry about that, so that's a 70 ccf difference. If we want to know, again, we are looking for the annual savings in cost, so annual cost savings. So 70 ccf, and we're assuming that it's going to be $1.50 per ccf. So simply multiply times $1.50 per ccf, and that's going to give us 100, and $5. So that's our upfront cost difference. So that's our annual savings. So let's circle these. Now let's do the lifetime savings. So for this, we need to figure out how long these furnaces will last. Let's just assume that these are going to last, say, 15 years. Okay, so in this case, our lifetime savings, we're saving $105 per year times 15 years, and that's it. Again, this is simplified. We're not not counting cost escalation or any kind of operation and maintenance fees. So let's see how much this is. So our lifetime savings here will be $1,575. Okay, so that's our lifetime savings. So now we have our three factors, and we can calculate the rest of the problems, which I will do in the next video.